Yeah, Jessica, a bizarre twist indeed. This was one of the alternate jurors who served during Karen Read's first murder trial for the death of John O'Keefe. Her name is Victoria B. George, and her biography on the website of the State Bar Association says she attended Northeastern Law School. Since becoming a lawyer, she has handled mainly civil employment cases. There's no mention of any criminal law experience. However, legal analyst Martha Coakley says George could serve a useful role for Read's defense.
And I'm sure that she can give them some good guidance as a jury consultant might as to how the questions appeared, what the process was like, what her own thought process was like.
Now, during that first trial, after the testimony was completed, George was chosen at random to be an alternate juror. And when the court clerk called her number, she seemed visibly frustrated to have to leave the jury box. She did not participate in any of the deliberations that ended in a hung jury and a mistrial. Now, unlike Read's out-of-state attorneys from California and New York, George is licensed here in Massachusetts, so she does not need any special permission from the judge to join Read's defense team. Live in Dedham, David Bieniek, WCVB News Center 5.
All right, David, before you go, though, you have also confirmed that Judge Beverly Cannoni is now changing the buffer zone outside that courthouse for Read's second trial. So what can you tell us about that?
Yeah, you'll remember that the judge wants to make absolutely sure that none of the jurors or even the potential jurors can see any of the protests that have been happening outside the courthouse. Now, for the first trial, that buffer zone extended up to 200 feet around the Norfolk County Courthouse complex. For this second trial, the judge is adding an area around a nearby park and some side streets. Now, in the buffer zone, people will not be able to hold signs, wear clothing that favors one side or the other. They will also not be able to use any bullhorns or other devices to try to make themselves heard.
David Bieniek, we thank you so much. Live for us outside the courthouse in Dedham. We'll check back in with you throughout the afternoon.